What's going on, boaters? This is Dylan with MarineMax Dallas, and we're standing right here in a pre-owned Sylvan L3 with a 200 horsepower Yamaha SHO on the back of it. It's an incredible boat, low hours. Let's jump up in it and check out the layout. All right, guys, welcome in the Sylvan L3. I want to show you a couple of my favorite features, starting with this windshield. Super sporty looking. It does the job. It's going to rip the wind right over your head. Keep coming back. Did someone say versatility? Because that's what this Sylvan is. Check this out. Sling that thing down all the way, got a little backrest, or you can do the same thing on the other side. So you and your honey can be out chasing the Texas sunset. This 200 horsepower Yamaha show is going to get you around town. Very low hours, very good shape. MarineMax Dallas, come check it out right now. I promise you, this one will not last long. Come see us. We'll see you guys on the water.